and I'm a professor of Power Systems and Sustainable Energy in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering here at the St. Augustine campus. I've been in research and experimentation for just over 20 years, commencing when I was a student here at this institution. At present, my research encompasses the integration of renewable energy and electric vehicles into traditional power systems. And we look at the sustainable impact. So we'll be looking at the efficiency, the reliability, the affordability, the environmental impact, and of course, social equity. Integrating energy resources, renewable energy resources, such as wind, solar, and even geothermal that we find in the Caribbean is critical. And it also allows us to implement policies and strategies so as we transition to a lower carbon and more sustainable and secure energy landscape. So if I have to summarize, anything with EC, alternative current, DC, direct current, LV, low voltage, HV, high voltage, RE, renewable energy, and of course EV, electric vehicles. So for future research activities, we want to look at how we can incorporate artificial intelligence into the operation and optimization of power systems. The biggest challenge we face is data, getting abundant data that is accurate, without inconsistencies, without gaps. And this is something that we continue to progressively work to in the midst of weak data governance framework, ownership issues, and of course, looking at how this data can therefore revolutionize how the grids of the Caribbean actually operate, improving their efficiency and bringing benefit to the citizens of the entire archipelago, and of course beyond. So that's one particular area where we have an amalgamation of everything that we've said above, integrating with AI. Some of the work that we also do involves looking at the electrical equipment and components that enter into the country, where we review the standards that they would have been manufactured and tested to ensure that there's compliance for safety as well as quality. We work very closely with the standards body to ensure that our students are also well exposed to these standards, and we work closely with the other standard agencies across the region to share a lot of this knowledge. One aspect of my research also looks at the technical equipment and components, and that is when you're considering application to the market. So we look at technically reviewing and evaluating components and equipment to ensure that the standards that they are manufactured to are in fact aligned with global standards, ensuring that the application is fit for application here in the region. And this ensures that we not only have a robust measure of adoption, but also ensuring that they're fit for purpose, while of course improving and ensuring that we have quality control for installation of components and equipment at the high voltage and the low voltage level. In 2019, the Faculty of Engineering launched this campus' first electric vehicle charging station. This was actually the first level 2 charging station in the country that was certified by the Government Electrical Inspectorate. Since then, we have progressed. We now have another charging station that is fully solar powered. So we have a renewable energy system complete with battery energy storage facility that is now zero carbon and is the first of its kind on the campus.